If you're not going to tell me your name, you got no authority.
Well, you're
none. You got no. It don't matter. That's public property. So go do your job, man. Kick rocks.
Okay.
Maintenance department. Dude. Excuse me?
You guys need some help.
No, we didn't ask for no help. No, we didn't ask for no help.
Well, you can't smoke out here on school property.
This ain't smoke.
You can't use those on school property. It's Wayne County Public Schools. Okay, I'll call the sheriff department.
Go do what you got to do, man. That didn't work the way you wanted it to, did it? Huh? Can't smoke out here. This ain't smoke, dummy. And we not even on their property right here. Huh? Oh, crazy. What's up?
Taking pictures.
Yep, sure are.
What are y'all? Who are y'all with?
I'm with myself. Who you with? What's your name?
What difference doesn't matter. I work for Wayne
What
County
difference does it
Schools.
make while I'm out here then? If you're not going to tell me your name, you got no authority.
Well, you're
None.
Wayne
You got no.
County
It don't
property.
matter. That's public property. So go do your job, man. Kick rocks.
Okay.
See ya. Yep. Can't tell me what to do. You don't tell me your name. How I know who you are?
My name is David Lassiter. I'm maintenance director of Wayne County Schools.
There you go. Now why couldn't you do that a while ago?
Well, that's what I am, and now I need to know why, because this is our property.
I can film anything over here I want to, man.
Okay.
Yep. If you got a problem with that, you need to build a way high fence.
Okay.
Way high. Way up there. Yep. So now go back to work. You're wasting my tax dollars. He thought coming back telling me his name was going to change anything. I guess dude called the sheriff.
Two of us might call somebody else.
Yeah, I don't know. See, that's what,
You should move your leg over so you can't see.
yeah, he's already got it. He got it when he pulled up. That's why he was, yeah. He's already got that shit, man. You can believe that. He might not even get out. But,
Probably hoping we would walk over there.
yeah, I ain't
Trying to
got,
get us to go on their property.
nope, ain't happening. Ain't gonna happen. That when I done it, I think it was in Madison. He knew. He knew. You know what I'm saying? He knew. You see the way he waved at us? He knew. He just waved at us, guys. He waved at us. Like a woman. Just, yeah, it's crazy. I'll make sure he stops.